Hey everyone, welcome back to Shop Smart Link. If you're here, it means you're looking to squeeze more power out of your laptop in 2025. Or maybe you're wondering if upgrading is even worth it. Stick around because in this video, I'll walk you through key laptop upgrades like RAM, SSDs, and even GPUs, and help you decide if you should upgrade or buy a brand new machine. Let's dive in. Your laptop is crawling, apps are taking forever to open, and you're frustrated every time you hit the power button. Sound familiar? The good news is, with just a few upgrades, your old machine can feel brand new, if you know what to focus on. Section 1. RAM Upgrades. First up, RAM. Think of it as your laptop's short-term memory. If your laptop struggles with multitasking, upgrading your RAM can make a huge difference. What to check? Find out how much RAM your laptop currently has and the maximum it supports. You can check this in Task Manager or your system settings. Upgrade or buy new. For everyday tasks like browsing and light editing, upgrading from 8 GB to 16 GB might be all you need. But if you're a gamer or video editor, you might need even more. Quick tip. Don't forget to check if your RAM is soldered onto the motherboard. If it is, upgrading might not be possible. Section 2. SSD Upgrades. Next, let's talk storage. If your laptop still has an old-school hard drive, it's time to upgrade to an SSD. Here's why. SSDs are way faster, quieter, and more energy efficient. Boot times and app loading speeds can be cut in half, or better. Steps to upgrade. Check your laptop's storage interface. Is it SATA or NVMe? NVMe drives are the fastest option in 2025. Clone your old drive using free software like Macrium Reflect. Replace the drive and reinstall it in just a few minutes. Trust me, this is one upgrade that'll give you the biggest bang for your buck. Section 3. GPU Upgrades, or Alternatives. Now, what about graphics? If your laptop struggles with rendering or gaming, you might think about upgrading your GPU. Here's the catch. Most laptops don't allow internal GPU upgrades. But there's a workaround. eGPUs, external GPUs. In 2025, they're more affordable and efficient. You just connect them via Thunderbolt 4, and boom, you've got desktop-level performance on your laptop. Pro tip. Check compatibility with your laptop before buying an eGPU setup. Section 4. Upgrade versus buy new? So, when should you upgrade, and when should you buy new? Upgrade if your laptop is less than 5 years old, and the upgrades you need are affordable, say under $300. Buy new if your laptop's CPU is outdated, your screen resolution feels ancient, or if it's costing you more to upgrade than a decent mid-range laptop would. And remember, in 2025, you can find powerful mid-range laptops starting at just $600 to $800. That's it for today's guide on upgrading your laptop for better performance in 2025. Whether it's RAM, an SSD, or even a GPU solution, these upgrades can breathe new life into your device. But hey, if it's time to move on, don't stress, we've got buying guides and recommendations coming your way right here on Shop Smart Link. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, subscribe for more tech tips, and comment below. What's the one upgrade your laptop needs right now? I'd love to hear your thoughts.